This is one of the setups on the prairie. It is called Badlands Formation, so there is very little vegetation. We've had cameras there for years. Animals travel along corridors. There's a game trail. Very, very little precipitation all year long. It's very dry. It's prairie. There's a badger we captured over the years. He's a cool dude. And then one night, the next day, you wouldn't even know that anything happened. Flash floods are that way. They come in fast and then you don't even know they were there. And that happens in the West often, in canyons, on the prairie, in Colorado. So we're learning hard lessons this year. And again, the next day, the porcupine travels along, has a great time. There, you wouldn't even know there was any water in there. And that's it for our flash flood thing today.